Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials: battery, apps, and connectivity. Open the Wear OS app on your iPhone and tap Start. This initiates a Bluetooth scan. You choose your Pixel Watch from the list. A pairing code appears on both screens so you can confirm it matches. Once done, allow any permission prompts. Location and Bluetooth are required for reliable connection. Make sure to keep both devices unlocked and awake until the next screen appears, since interrupts can abort pairing. You now handle the complex middle steps. Grant the Wear OS app all requested permissions so notifications and health data flow. Sign into your Google account when prompted to enable calendar and contact sync. This lets the watch access timelines and reminders. Next, permit background app refresh and automatic app installs so updates and watch faces arrive without manual steps. If you use health tracking, enable motion and health permissions. These settings explain why you finish setup by customizing watch faces and notification preferences. Take a moment to trim which apps send alerts so you avoid overload. Once the final sync completes, confirm the watch shows time, notifications, and app shortcuts. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the Pixel Watch and iPhone, toggle Bluetooth off/on, then reopen Wear OS and repeat pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth and permission states and resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.